Hey everyone, welcome back to Art Obsession Oz. Today I'm trying the dot technique three different ways, and I want to see how much the final bloom changes just by changing the placements of the dots. I'll be using different colors for each one, but I'm keeping the resin, timing, mold size, white based as close as I can so we can still see what the dot technique is doing. The first one will be a softer version, which is this one. The second one will be a bit bolder, I would say that. And the third one will be a little bit risky, different size dots and stronger colors, just to see what happens. I'm not aiming for perfect here. I'm testing, learning, and seeing which one gives the best bloom. As always with resin, make sure you're wearing gloves, working in a well-ventilated area, and using the safety gear recommendation for your resin. So I've mixed my resin. When you mix your resin, make sure that you scrape all the sides and everything. So for each mold, I'll pour the base first, then add my colors using the dot technique. After that, I'll add the white paste and let the resin do its thing. So let's get started. So we'll pour that in. Okay. Just take my heat gun. This is going to be interesting because I've never done the dot method in a square mold. So this one is the first time. And also with the dot method, I normally use paste. Today I'm using the inks to see what would happen. So we'll start with the blue. Let's go to the edge. use that. Do the blue in the middle, I think. And that's a plum. Oops. That's, and this one. And normally I use a paste, but because I'm doing 3, it's going to end up too many bags. So in this one we'll do see how that turns out. This one will go. Hope I've got enough. Just oops. Just put a few little ones here. This looks like a Greek type mosaic. All right, let's see this one. See how that works. It's an experiment, so we'll see how we go. I haven't done this with alcohol inks, I've only done it with pigment paste. So we'll see how they turn out. Okay. Alrighty. I'll see you for the unmolding. Talk soon. Hey guys, okay, time to see what happened. So, the first one, I already took it out because the heat, I'll just take all of them out first. This one. Now I'll show you. Okay, so which one is this one? I think let's look at all of them. So this is the first one. This was the blue and the plum. This was the yellow and the turquoise. And this was the blue and the red. Now each one was done differently. The dots, I put the petals in differently, and you can see by all three that each one has taken a different look. I love them all, but this is my favorite, this one with the plum and the blue. You see the blue in the background, it's sort of like disappeared a little, but I think the softness of the petals are beautiful. This one took more of a geometric type lines in the petals. I still like it. And this one was the blue and the red, which I suppose each one will see something different in it. So this was really interesting. It was an interesting test because it shows how one simple technique can give completely different results. So let me know in the comments which one you like best, 1, 2, or 3. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next resin video. See you later.